Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update scikit-learn pipelines for reproducible training results. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, start by installing the latest version of scikit-learn. You can do this using the command line with pip. Open your terminal and type pip install scikit-learn. Next, ensure you have the necessary libraries for your project. These often include NumPy, Pandas, and possibly others like Matplotlib. Once the libraries are installed, open your Python script or Jupyter notebook. Begin by importing the required modules. Import pipeline and column transformer from scikit-learn.pipeline. Import any necessary models and transformers from scikit-learn. For example, to use a standard scaler for pre-processing, import standard scaler. Next, create a function to initialize your pipeline. Define a function called create_pipeline. Inside this function, configure your pipeline with steps. Include a pre-processing step to scale your numerical features. For categorical features, include an appropriate encoder, like one-hot encoder. Remember to use column transformer to apply transformations to specific feature sets. Now, define the model you want to train. For instance, you might use logistic regression for a classification task. Add this model as the final step in your pipeline. Return the constructed pipeline from your create_pipeline function. Next, load your training data. Utilize Pandas to read your dataset into a data frame. Once the data is loaded, perform any necessary data preprocessing. Ensure that you handle missing values or categorical data appropriately. Now, split your dataset into features and target variables. Assign your features to X and your target variable to Y. With the data prepared, you're ready to initialize the pipeline. Call your create_pipeline function to instantiate the pipeline. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.